Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Mike, and this week we are finally going to get some overhead lighting installed in our shop. We're also going to see what all the hype is about these high bay LED lights. I have absolutely no patience, so I'm going to go ahead and plug this sucker in and see how bright it is. You ready? Holy crap! Oh my god! Holy, I can't do it, I can't do it. That thing is no joke. That is intense light. I literally had to unplug it so I could see again. All right guys, let's get these things installed. All right, Walter, you ready to light the lights?
Yeah.
You ready to light it up?
Yeah.
You want me to turn them on?
Yeah.
All right, engage the music. Here we go. I'm just kidding. It's not even on a plug. It's actually on a light switch. That just felt like Griswold or something. Oh my lord, look how bright it is, dude. Is that so bright? Wow. I know the camera doesn't do the light justice at all, but it literally looks like a doctor's office in here. It is so bright.